guys, so this is the first week that I am doing the keto diet. So I decided to do the keto diet about a month ago, and we decided to wait until February 1st so that we had a kind of starting point as to where we were. So we started February 1st, which was a Friday, and it was kind of tricky. If you have been on the keto diet, you know how tricky it is to kind of adjust yourself to it. The first couple of days were off. Good morning, guys. So this is day 3 of the keto diet. We started on Friday. The second day, which was Saturday, I had a headache all day. My husband had a headache all day. And then Sunday, same thing, we had a headache all day. Last night, we could not sleep at all, and my husband had a slight panic attack, which he never has. I guess these are all signs of the keto flu. So that's where we stand right now. But as far as like eating goes, I'm not really craving anything with carbs in it, so that's good. But I think that's attributed to the other diet that we were on before, where we didn't have very many carbs. I mean, we had rice and we had beans, but that was it as far as carbs go. That helped me kind of stay not so crazy with the carbs. On the other hand, my husband's having a hard time, which is why he, I think, had a panic attack last night, and we were up all night. So I'm working on maybe 3 hours of sleep, but I'm headed off to work. And I just wanted to give you a quick update on this first couple of days of the keto diet. So we have headaches and panic attacks and no sleep. So tonight I'm definitely taking melatonin, and hopefully that will help with the sleep problems. All right, I will be back to give you more updates throughout the week. And as you can see, those were kind of difficult days. I was having headaches, there were some panic attacks involved, and just random stuff that people say that have been documented that happens with the keto flu, which I'm not excited about. As the week progressed and my body started to get used to no carbs, my symptoms got a lot better, which was really nice. I didn't have any more headaches. I was able to get some sleep, and I was actually starting to feel better about the diet. Day 5 wasn't so bad. This is my 5-day check-in for the keto diet. So far, so good. Headaches have gone away. I was able to get some sleep by taking melatonin, which is really awesome. What else? I checked my my macros last night because I wasn't sure if I was on track, and so far I'm doing really well. I'm taking in more fats, less protein, and I was at, I think it was 6% carbs, so I need to lower that by 1%, but doing it blindly, I think that was really good. So I know that you're only supposed to take in 20, I think it's 5%, which is like 20 grams of carbs throughout the day. So I was taking in 1 more gram than what I'm supposed to, which isn't bad, but if I want to start losing the weight from it, I need to stay within the 5 grams, or the 5%, 20 grams. So I'm going to try to figure that out. Maybe eat less cheese and creamer, because I did have like a little creamer type of dessert because I like desserts. So that's where I'm at right now. Let me know if you want me to show you any of the recipes or any of the food stuff that we're going to be making or that we have been making. But so far so good. I feel really good today, so I'm happy. I did weigh myself. I've lost 1 pound in 5 days, which is not bad. It's actually really good, so I'm excited. I think I'm on track, and I will check in again at the end of the week. All right, bye-bye. So as day 5 rolled around, you see that it wasn't as bad as day 2 to 3, and I feel like it's going to get easier. I thought this diet was going to be a little bit more complicated for me because I mean I did eat carbs on a daily basis. Even when I was on my last diet that I was doing, I was eating beans and rice. And I wasn't eating so much refined carbs, but I was definitely eating beans and rice, and beans and rice do have carbs in them. So that was something that I had to eliminate from this diet. As you know, keto is a high fat, moderate protein, low can be carb type of diet. So it was something to get used to, and I'm still having a hard time figuring out my macros. I'm having a hard time getting the proteins in there because I'm doing fine with the fats and I'm doing fine with staying low on the carbs. It's just the proteins that I'm not able to get high enough on my macros. So that's something I'm going to have to try to figure out throughout the next couple of months, and hopefully I can get a better idea of that. If you have any suggestions on how to get more protein in your body without adding the carbs, that would be greatly appreciated. Please put that down in the description. So that was the only issue that I'm having right now, and like I said, this is day 8 of the keto diet. So you're going to see this video is day 1 through day 7. So day 8, I'm still having a little bit of an issue with the protein. Other than that, I feel great. I've lost some weight. I'll go ahead and put some pictures of the weight that I've lost. So you'll see the weigh-in from the beginning till the first week. I've lost a couple of pounds, which I was very surprised of. But I do know that the keto diet, at first, you lose a lot of water weight. So I guess I shouldn't be too surprised, but it was kind of nice to actually have lost some weight. I didn't think I was going to lose any weight whatsoever, even though it was just water weight. I'm kind of happy with that. We are doing the fasting, so we're eating from 1 to 7 in the morning and 1 in the afternoon till 7, which that doesn't bother me at all because I normally don't eat that until 1 o'clock in the afternoon anyways because of work. That's when I take my lunch break. So that actually has been working out for me. So first week so far doing okay. Hopefully next week we'll do better. I'll be putting up hopefully weekly blogs on the progress of this keto diet and let you know if I have any problems or any issues. There has been issues with going to the bathroom. Another thing, it's more difficult to go to the bathroom with this diet. So I guess that might be a side effect. Let me know if you're on the keto diet and you're having that issue as well, and what you did to remedy that as well. So from a week-to-week basis, we're going to go ahead and show you some recipes that we're doing, just my struggles throughout the weeks of doing this diet, and how I feel about not having certain carbs, because sometimes one week you want something and the next week you don't. So that would be something that I'm going to be putting in this vlog as well. Hopefully I can get support from you guys, and I can support you if you're doing this diet as well, if you just recently started, and we can figure out some recipes. So if you have any recipes that you might want to share with me that you have tried, let me know that, and I'll definitely be putting up some recipes here. I'm also going to be doing some recipes from some keto books on my channel so we can see how they actually taste, because sometimes when somebody writes a book, they think their stuff is good and it may not be as good as they think, or it may not be as good for me or for my family. So hopefully we can figure out what is good and what isn't. That is the first week of blogs. So stay tuned for next week. Hopefully next week will be just as good as this week, and I shall talk to you later. Bye-bye.